how to turn on or off record proxy on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application and Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and go to media section. Here in media section, you can see here the record proxy. And the record proxy is off. To turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, you can set the upload clips. And the upload clips is set into proxies only. So you can set this by tap the upload clips and you can see the option. So you can set into proxies only or you can set into original and proxies. Okay, I decide to set into originals and proxies, the upload clips. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on the record proxy. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on or off record proxy on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.